Finally, the suspense over Amethi and Raebareli is over at the final and last possible moment. Well, the Congress, remember, had announced that Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from Raebareli, the Lok Sabha seat his mother Sonia Gandhi had held from 2004 till she exited it this time around to enter the Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan instead. Conversely, what this means is that Rahul Gandhi has ditched Amethi, the Lok Sabha seat that he represented from 2004 to 2019, and will not be contesting once again against Smriti Irani, who defeated him with over 50,000 votes in the last Lok Sabha elections. Instead, Congress's loyalist KL Sharma, he'll be contesting from Amethi this time around. Now, Rahul Gandhi has landed in Uttar Pradesh with his nomination filing, which will be completed by 3 p.m. today. It also means that Priyanka will not be contesting these Lok Sabha elections, though she, as well as Robert Vadra and Sonia Gandhi, are joining the show of strength for Rahul. And so is the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge and other senior Congress leaders. Huge show of strength, as you can see on your screens there, including Robert Vadra, who's also there. Now, in Raebareli, meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi faces a challenge from BJP's Dinesh Pratap Singh, who had lost to Sonia Gandhi by about 1.66 lakh votes in the 2019 election. In fact, let's also tell you what is expected over the next couple of days. Remember, speaking of the rally in West Bengal's Bardhaman, Prime Minister Modi had also jibed the Congress and its top leaders of running away from the context. In fact, he cited how he had predicted that Sonia Gandhi would not be contesting this time around, and has also mocked Rahul Gandhi as well as his sycophants. Watch this.
मैंने कहा था इनकी सबसे बड़ी नेता चुनाव लड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं करेगी, वो डर के मारे भाग जाएगी, और वो भाग करके राजस्थान गई और राजस्थान से राज्यसभा में आई। और हुआ भी यही। मैंने पहले ही बता दिया था कि शाहजादे वायनाड में हारने वाले हैं, और हार के डर से जैसे ही वायनाड में मतदान समाप्त होगा, वो दूसरी सीट खोजने लग जाएंगे। और अब दूसरी सीट पर भी उनके सारे चेले चपाटे कह रहे थे अमेठी आएंगे, अमेठी आएंगे, लेकिन अमेठी से भी इतना डर गए, इतने डर गए, वहां से भागकर अब रायबरेली में खोज रहे हैं रास्ता। ये लोग घूम घूम कर सबको कहते हैं डरो मत। मैं भी आज उन्हें कहता हूं, और बड़े जी भर के कहता हूं, अरे डरो मत, भागो मत।